Buy it at the pharmacy and stick it on your windows. Your bills will be significantly lower. It's cheap and easily available. Despite being thin, it's resistant to damage and reusable. This versatile product is useful in many situations thanks to its unique properties. A standard thermal blanket has two sides, one gold and one silver. Each serves a different purpose. The silver side reflects heat, while the gold side stores it. Measure your window carefully. Unfold the blanket and cut it to the appropriate size. Wet the window with plain water and stick the blanket on it, gold side facing outwards. Ensure the foil adheres snugly to the window frame. Smooth it out with your hand to avoid air bubbles. The gold side reflects heat and prevents it from escaping, keeping your room warm for longer. A thermal blanket is a simple and affordable solution to improve your home's thermal insulation. It's easy to fold into a compact size, making it convenient to store for future use. I've been using this trick in my home for years, saving on heating costs during colder months. The secret window feature that 99% of people don't know about? I'll show you what it is and why it really matters. When airing out a room, you probably know these two common ways. The first one is by turning the handle 90 degrees. That fully opens the window, letting fresh air in quickly. The second way is to lift the handle straight up and gently pull the sash. The window tilts open, allowing air to circulate. But here's what most people don't know. There's a third option. It's called microventilation. To activate it, turn the handle halfway between those two positions, at a 45-degree angle. Gently pull, and the window will open just a few millimeters, creating a tiny gap. And that small gap makes a big difference. It provides a steady flow of fresh air without losing heat. It also reduces humidity and the risk of mold. It's perfect for nighttime or during winter when you don't want to cool down the room. Try it next time. A small tweak that makes a big difference. All you need is aluminum foil, and your bills will be lower. Aluminum foil is mostly associated with the kitchen, but its uses go far beyond that. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a section, divide it into two parts, place it on the window frame, and press gently. Once it's in place, close the window to ensure the foil adheres tightly. It's a simple way to improve insulation. A clever trick with a binder clip that you've never heard of before. I wish I had known about this earlier because it's truly a genius solution. Sometimes we want to leave a window slightly open, but worry that it might open wider or close completely. Did you know that a simple binder clip can help keep the window in a fixed position? Just place the clip on the window frame. Then gently close the window until you feel resistance. Hook the clip onto the metal screw in the window frame. Done. This way the window will stay open by a few centimeters. It's a simple way to better control the window's position. It allows for ventilation without the risk of the window opening uncontrollably. Such clips are easily available and inexpensive. Just make sure it's securely attached. With this solution, you can enjoy fresh air in your home. Try this trick today and enjoy comfortable ventilation in your home. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. This is how I lowered my bills in winter. Stick double-sided tape to the frame. Then, remove the protective layer and attach the bubble wrap over the entire surface. The bubble wrap acts as an extra layer of insulation, trapping heat inside and protecting against the cold from outside. Not only will you take care of your bills, but you'll also improve the insulation in your home. This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. Cover your windows with plastic wrap. This simple trick gives it a whole new purpose in your home. While it's commonly used for food storage, plastic wrap can also serve other functions. Take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it across the entire surface of the window pane from the inside. Make sure the wrap is evenly stretched to avoid wrinkles and maintain a neat appearance. Secure the edges of the wrap with adhesive tape. Start at the top edge of the window, carefully taping it to the frame, then move to the bottom and sides. The wrap should be taut, but be careful not to overstretch and damage it. This setup has several benefits. It creates an additional insulating layer on the glass, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat escapes during winter, and the wrap helps block the flow of cold air. This can also prevent unsightly condensation and moisture, which often lead to mold growth. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's a clever way to repurpose something you already have at home for a completely new use.